Hi guys, today I will talk about the topic of later. Let's get started. My name is Thu. You can call me Eva. I'm Vietnamese. I'm from Vietnam. I was born in Bắc Giang province, but I live in Hanoi capital. There are many beautiful places in my city. I also have a big family. There are 11 people in my family. My grandmother is always. I am a spa teacher and spa manager. I also am spa trainer. So, if you could like to come to my spa, please call me. My phone number is 0797857882. The topic of later, I want to say I like enjoying in the later. There are many lakes in my city, like the Hoàn Kiếm Lake, the West Lake, the Trúc Bạch Lake. I like dancing in the Hoàn Kiếm Lake because I like watching water. The water is green. There are many green trees around lake. Also, there are many colorful flowers around lake. I like going to the zoo with my son. There are many cute animals in the zoo. My son likes feeding monkey, lion, rabbit, tiger. He likes eating banana for the monkey. The monkey is very fast. The rabbit has long ear. The lion so angry. I like going to the mountains, but the mountain is far away from my house. So I sometimes go to the mountain. My English was very poor and bad, but now I feel more confident. I am thankful my teacher and my friends because they all support me. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to me. See you next my video. Goodbye.